Let us start with the second part of multiplication and division of integers. अगर आपने पार्ट 1 अभी तक नहीं देखा है तो पहले जाओ पार्ट 1 देख के आओ, जिसका लिंक मैंने इसी वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दिया हुआ है. So let's begin the magic of maths with me. And if you are new, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon for updates.
May I come in, Sir Roy?
Yes, come.
Good morning, Sir Roy.
Very good morning, beta.
Sir, in your last lecture, that is multiplication and division of integer, we had understood the pattern of multiplication, but you had just cleared the concept of division.
Yes, I know, beta.
Sir, today will you teach the division of integration?
Yes, definitely. Let's move to our class.
Good morning, sir.
Very good morning, beta.
Sir, last lecture was very nice, but you had played one game with us. In that game, you had asked one question, which answer is wrong. So, can you please tell the right answer, sir?
Yes, I remember. Let me take the name one by one who had given the right answer. Soham Kadam had given the right answer. Rashmi Gaurav had given the right answer. Vinod Pandey had given the right answer. Shubham Kesari had given the right answer. Jitendra Pisal had given the right answer. Sadhna Tiwari had given the right answer. Kajal Das had given the right answer. This all had given the right answer. But sorry to say that all this name what I had told right now might be the name of the parents also. So when you are giving the answer from the next time, please write your student name after that. Thank you.
Sir, it was so nice from you. Sir Roy, in this video, I will also comment the answer in the comment box so that in the next video, you can take my name also.
Let me tell the exact answer. Positive 8, negative 3 is equal to, I told, minus 11. But it is wrong. Positive 8 minus 3 become positive 3. So positive 8 plus positive 3, the answer will be 11. That was the right answer. Let us move to today's session, that is division.
Okay, all my dear students. Let's move to the division part of practice set 9. और यहाँ पे मैं पहले सम को दो मेथड से सॉल्व करूँगा, एक पुराना मेथड और बाद में इसे न्यू पैटर्न में सॉल्व करके बताऊँगा. फर्स्ट सी द ओल्ड पैटर्न. हम ओल्ड पैटर्न में से कैसे सॉल्व करते थे. फॉर एग्जांपल आपको 96 को 16 से डिवाइड करना होता था. हम कैसे करेंगे. नॉर्मली आप इसे इस तरह से रिप्रेजेंट करते थे कि 96 डिवाइड बाय 16 एंड आप टेबल ढूंढते थे. आपको पता चलता था कि 16 6 96. आप क्या करते थे, माइनस. जब 96 माइनस 96 होगा तो आंसर आएगा 0 एंड यू फाइनली गॉट द आंसर 6. बट आपको ये भी पता है यहाँ पे एक नंबर नेगेटिव है, दैट इज 96 इज नेगेटिव एंड 16 पॉजिटिव है, तो प्लस माइनस होता था माइनस, इसीलिए 6 के ऊपर आ जाएगा नेगेटिव का सिंबल. नाउ लेट अस सॉल्व दिस इन द न्यू पैटर्न, दैट इज हम इस साल जिस पैटर्न को फॉलो करने वाले हैं. सो यहाँ पे आपको 96 और 16 दोनों दिख रहा है. तो 96 का हम करेंगे फैक्टर. हम इसके सारे फैक्टर्स निकालेंगे. हाउ टू रिमूव द फैक्टर्स. सो 2 इंटू 48 96. अब 48 को फर्दर 2 से डिवाइड करेंगे तो 2 24 ज़ा 48, देन 2 12 ज़ा 24, 2 6 ज़ा 12, 2 3 ज़ा 6, देन 3 1 ज़ा 3. यहाँ पे हमें मिल गया है 96 के सारे फैक्टर. फिर हम निकालेंगे 16 के फैक्टर. लेट्स टेक 16. 2 8 ज़ा 16, 2 4 ज़ा 8, 2 2 ज़ा 4 एंड 2 1 ज़ा 2. नाउ ये सारे फैक्टर को हम अकॉर्डिंग टू द न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर लिख देंगे. 96 न्यूमरेटर में था तो सारी चीज़ों को ऊपर लिखेंगे. 2 इंटू 2 इंटू 2 इंटू 2 इंटू 2 इंटू 3 एंड डिनोमिनेटर में लिखेंगे 2 इंटू 2 इंटू 2 इंटू 2. वॉट एवर नंबर विल बी सिमिलर इन द न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर विल गेट कट. जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं कि ऊपर 4 2s है न्यूमरेटर में, नीचे डिनोमिनेटर में 4 2s है, कट हो जाएगी. फाइनली न्यूमरेटर में बच गया 2 इंटू 3 एंड 2 3 का होता है 6 एंड माइनस प्लस क्या हो जाएगा माइनस, इसीलिए आया नेगेटिव 6. ये सब मैंने दोनों पैटर्न में इसलिए किया था कि आपको समझ में आए कि आंसर दोनों में सेम ही आएगा, बट यू हैव टू फॉलो द न्यू मेथड ओनली. Let's move to the next sum, that is 98 divided by minus 28, where we'll remove the factor of 98 देन विल रिमूव द फैक्टर ऑफ 28. 98 का फैक्टर क्या होगा? 2 into 49 will be 98. Then 7 7s are 49. Then 7 1s are 7. So simple factor है 2 into 7 into 7. Let us see 28. 28 2 into 14. Then 2 into 7s are 14 and 7 1s are 7. So यहाँ पे फैक्टर है 2 into 2 into 7. We'll finally write down 2 into 7 into 7 in the numerator and 2 into 2 into 7 in the denominator. ऊपर नीचे जो सेम दिख रहा है कट हो जाएगा. 2 2 and 7 7 will cut. हमें मिल गया यहाँ पे 7 upon 2. As you know, one number is positive and another is negative. So the answer will come in the negative itself. So finally we'll got the answer negative 7 upon 2. Let's move to the third sum, and the third sum we can see negative 51 divided by 68. Okay, so here 51 we will remove the factor of 51. So 17 3s are 51 and 3 1s are 3. Very easily we can see only 17 into 3 will come. Let's check out 68. 2 34s are 68. 2 17s are 34 and 17 1s are 17. Let us write down everything, that is 17 into 3 and 2 into 2 into 17. Finally we'll see that 17 will get cancelled, and in the numerator we can see that it's remaining 3, and in the denominator that is 2 into 2, that is 4. So it will be 3 upon 4, but as you know positive and negative become negative, so answer will come in the negative only. Finally negative 3 upon 4. Let's move to the fourth sum, and I'll let you know in this sum the question is 38 divided by negative 57. So 38 के फैक्टर क्या आएंगे देखते हैं. 38 will be divided by 2, so we'll get 19. Then 19 is a prime number, so 19 ones are 19. Easily we'll get the factor 2 into 19. Let's take 57, that is 3 into 19. Then again 19 ones are 19. So हम यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं कि हमें मिल जाएगा 2 into 19 and denominator में 3 into 19. 19 got cancelled, and the finally will get the answer negative 2 upon 3, because again one number is positive and another number is negative. मैं आपको बता दूं इस सेशन में हम लोग फिर से क्वेश्चन राउंड खेलने वाले हैं, दैट इज अ गेम राउंड, और वहाँ पे मैं आपको पूछने वाला हूँ एक क्वेश्चन और उसे आपको कमेंट करना है इस वीडियो के नीचे, ताकि मैं आपका नाम अनाउंस कर सकूं अगले वीडियो में. आपको बस वीडियो के साथ बने रहना है, एंड व्हेन आई आस्क द क्वेश्चन यू हैव टू कमेंट इट डाउन इन द कमेंट बॉक्स. लेट्स मूव टू द फिफ्थ सम ऑफ प्रैक्टिस सेट 9. द क्वेश्चन इज negative 85 divided by 20. We can see that 85 can easily go in the 5 table. So 17 5s are 85 and then 5 1s are 5. अब हम निकालेंगे 20 के फैक्टर्स. So 20 will go first in the 2's table. 2 10s are 20, 2 5s are 10 and 5 1s are 5. Okay, and we will write all the numerator number, that is 17 into 5 up, and 2 into 2 into 5 will denominator down. 5 will get cancelled. You can see up there is a 17, and down, that is denominator 2 into 2, it's 4. Finally we will get the answer negative 17 upon 4, because one number is negative and another is positive. Let's move to the next sum, that is negative 150 divided by negative 25. Here both the numbers are negative. Let's find out the factor of 150. 150 के सारे फैक्टर निकालेंगे. 2 into 75 is 150. 5 into 15 is 75. 5 3s are 15 and 3 1s are 3. Let's check out 25. यहाँ पे 25 के फैक्टर निकालेंगे. 25 5 5s are 25. We can easily see that 5 5s are 25 easily निकल गए हमारे पास. Let's write down all the number in the numerator and denominator. 2 into 5 into 5 into 3 and 5 into 5. So up both the 5 and down both the 5 will get cancel. Numerator के और denominator के 5 cancel हो जाएंगे. Finally 2 3s are 6 and denominator में कुछ भी नहीं है इसीलिए 1. Finally we'll get the answer 6. As you know that both the number were negative, so minus minus answer will come in positive. Let's move to the next question, and in the next question I am going to play one game. Again you have to find out one mistake that I had made in this question and you have to comment in the comment box. Okay, so 2 into 50 will be 100, 2 into 25 will be 50, 5 into 5 will be 25 and 5 ones are 5. Let's move to the next one, that is factor of 60. In the 60 I will say that 5 into 30, then 5 into 15 the 30, then 5 3s are 15, then 3 1s are 3. Okay, now I'll write all the number 2 into 2 into 5 into 5 and 2 into 2 into 5 into 3. Let's cancel all the possibilities, that is 2 2 and 5. Finally there is one number remaining, that is 5 upon 3. We'll write the answer 5 upon 3. Now in the next sum, 9 divided by negative 54. Here 9 will come as a 3 into 3. Okay, the factor is very simple. Let's check out 54. Here the factors of 54 will be like this. 2 27s are 54, 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3. Let's write down all the numerator and denominator number, that is 3 into 3 in the numerator and in the denominator 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. ऊपर के 2 3 और नीचे के 2 3 कैंसिल हो जाएंगे. Finally you can easily see in the numerator there is nothing, 1, and the denominator 2 3s are 6, and as you know that one number was positive, another was negative, answer will come in negative. So finally we'll get the answer negative 1 upon 6. I hope you are getting all the sum easily. So we had finished with the one game round. There is one more round in the end also. You have to send both the answer together. Yes, so first check this question and I'll ask you one more question at the end. So stay with the video. Here the 78 will be divided by 65. Here 78 can be divided like a 2 39s are 78, 3 13s are 39 and 13 1s are 13. Let's check it out. 65. Here you have to find the factor of 65, that is 5 13s are 65 and 13 1s are 13. So we will write down all the numerator factor and denominator factor. 2 into 3 into 13 and 5 into 13. We can easily see that 13 13 will get cancelled, 13 13 cancel हो जाएगा, and finally we will get the answer 2 3s are 6 and down 5, 6 upon 5. Let's move to the next one. minus 5 divided by minus 315. माइनस 5 को माइनस 315 से डिवाइड करना है. 5 का फैक्टर काफी सिंपल है, 5 1s are 5, ये आपके दिमाग में होगा ऑलरेडी. लेट्स चेक आउट द फैक्टर ऑफ 315. 315 first we'll take 5 63s are 315, then 3 21s are 63, then 3 7s are 21, then 7 1s are 7. तो यहाँ पे 315 के सारे फैक्टर आ चुके. फाइनली विल राइट 5 into 1 in the up and 5 into 3 into 3 into 7 in the denominator. 5 5 will get cancelled and finally we will get the answer 1 upon 3 3s are 9 and 9 7s are 63. And as you know that both the number were negative and negative will become positive, so answer will be positive 1 upon 63. Let's move to the second part of the same practice set 9. Here I'll first read the question so that you will understand what to do. The question is like this: write 3 division of integer such that the factor form of each will be 24 upon 5. Now let me tell you one thing. Here you can take any number. It's not that you will take the same number what I am taking. You can take any number. Just the thing is to be, the factor should come as 24 upon 5 only. Let's check it out. The first number, I had take the number like this, that is minus 48 divided by minus 10. If I take like this, the answer will come after doing the factor of 48, that is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3, and 10 will be 2 into 5. 2 will get cancelled, and you can check the answer will come as 24 upon 5. Hope it is very simple, but you have to take care of one thing, that you have to take both the number either negative and both the number either positive, so that answer will come in positive only. Let us check the next example that I had taken. I had taken the second example like this, 120 divided by 25. So I'll first do the factor of 120. The factor of 120 will be like this. You can easily see on the screen that 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5, and 25 will be 5 into 5. Again the 5 and 5 will easily get cancelled, and again you will get the answer, that is 24 upon 5. Let's check the third one. I've taken the question like this, negative 96 divided by negative 20. Again we will do the factor of 96, where 96 can be factored like this, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3, and 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 will be factor of 20. Again 2 will easily get cancelled, and one more 2 will also get cancelled. You will get the answer as 24 upon 5. Again here I had taken both the number negative. मैंने दोनों नंबर को नेगेटिव इसलिए लिया है ताकि आंसर जो है वो पॉजिटिव में आ जाए. So I hope you are getting all this concept cleared easily. Let's come to the end part of this practice set, and in this end part again I'll ask one question. That question you have to comment in the comment box. So today I had asked two questions. First question was what is wrong, and second is question round. So let's check out what question I am going to ask you. It will be very simple. I hope you will answer it easily, and if you answer it easily, in the next video again I'll surprise you with something different in my video. Okay, so let's start this round. Now write 3 division integer, again the same, but here the answer should be like negative 5 upon 7. So I had taken here 65 divided by negative 91. Here I will take care that one number will be positive, one will be negative. 65 can be written as 5 into 13, and 91 can be written as 7 into 13. 13 will easily get cancelled. Finally answer will come as 5 upon 7, and as you know, one is positive, one is negative. The final answer will come as a negative 5 upon 7. So इसके बाद आ जाते हैं हमारे नेक्स्ट एग्जाम्पल जो मैंने लिया है. इन द नेक्स्ट एग्जाम्पल आई हैड टेकन negative 125 divided by 175. The number is little big. Okay, so let's check out the factor of 125 and the factor of 175. Factor of 125 is like this, 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. Okay, and the factor of 170 is 5 into 5 into 7. You can easily check that 5 and again 5 will get cancelled. Finally what is remaining is negative 5 upon 7. It is negative 5 upon 7 because you know one number is in negative and another is in positive. एक नंबर नेगेटिव में है और दूसरा नंबर पॉजिटिव में है, इसीलिए जो आंसर आया है वो माइनस 5/7 आया। Let's check the third, and this will be a question round. Here I had given one question, that is 75 divided by -105. So student, I hope you can easily solve this. Now what you have to do, I had played 2 rounds. One was the what is mistake, and second is comment your answer. So both this answer you will write together, write your name and comment me on the comment box, and in the next video I will take your name. ऐसे ही हमारे साथ जुड़े रहिए, हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। तो सब्सक्राइब अवर चैनल फॉर मोर वीडियोज, एंड वीडियो को लाइक करना और अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर करना ना भूलें। प्लीज लाइक एंड शेयर द वीडियो। और बेल आइकन को दबाना ना भूलें। तो नेक्स्ट वीडियो तक बाय बाय।